because of education level, age, money, skill. You are able to succeed without those. They call me crazy. If you're going to be crazy, you have to be completely crazy. You have to live well because you have people that you love. If you want to live well, you have to learn. When you think about them all together, where they meet is where real passion comes from. So, someone with no passion is someone with no love in his heart. For the people you love, you should endure any hardship, or even your body is going to break down. Your passion to succeed must emerge. After I failed at doing business once, everyone shut me out. Why did they do that? They thought I might ask to borrow money. Even in that situation, I had no choice but to restart because I had a family that I really loved. So when you work, you also have to be completely crazy. You have to fall into it. Fall into it so that you can't even tell what's real or imaginary. Since I was in the car industry, I was greedy about cars. My goal was to drive the Mercedes-Benz S-Class. One day, while I was sleeping, I missed the Benz so much. Just like when you can't sleep because you miss your first love. The Benz was so visible, and I just couldn't fall asleep. So, at past 1 a.m. that night, I went to a car dealership that sells the Benz, with all of its lights turned off, and I looked through the window like this. I saw its faint silhouette, and I felt so good and relieved just to see it. Then I went home, and I fell back asleep. What they say is, he's crazy. If you're going to be crazy, be completely crazy. If you're going to be crazy, then you're going to need a crazy goal. We call that an absolute goal. It's a goal for which you'd go crazy if you ever got it. And you wouldn't regret, even if you died trying to achieve it. It should be a goal that you can die working towards, as long as it's achievable. You need to set that kind of goal. They say only crazy people can reach the goal. Get crazy to reach. If you're not crazy, then you cannot reach the goal. This is the principle of success.